Extra, extra, big news! Hymer-USA and Hymer-Deutschland are making Hymer active parts available to us.
Sounds real good. Let's give it an activist cheer. Come on, let's turn it up a notch.
Thanks for that introduction, Kathy. My name is Sam Carswell, president of SUIET. I fully support Hymer-USA and Hymer-Deutschland, the original. After you hear this story, I hope you will too. Young Sam had a soft spot for German engineering, and soon the Volkswagen bus was outfitted for a trip around America, but the plans were halted when a baby came along. As retirement approached, the perfect van appeared, but it was made for Europe and no good for the United States. A few months later, the Erwin Hymer Group promised the van that I dreamed of. Listen as they talk about the fabulous German quality coming to North America.
Roadtrek employees building, but it's strictly a Hymer design, right?
Yes, it's a contract manufacturing we are talking about.
Okay.
Means we are sending our specifications, we are sending our bill of material, and we are sending people to ensure that this is Hymer quality.
Okay.
A few months later, Erwin Hymer Group SE acquired Roadtrek, and the Activ's future was even brighter. Now, Erwin Hymer Group SE owned Erwin Hymer Group North America, which made the Aktiv, and owned Hymer Deutschland, which made the sister vehicle, the Grand Canyon. The German Grand Canyon becomes the North American Aktiv. Erwin Hymer Group North America sources Grand Canyon cabin parts directly from the same European vendors used by Hymer Deutschland. The Aktiv resembles the German Grand Canyon, at least on the surface. Only recently did we learn that Hymer Deutschland and Erwin Hymer Group North America are kept 100% separate by Erwin Hymer Group SE. There are no Hymer Deutschland engineers in Canada, no Hymer Deutschland assembly quality standards. Erwin Hymer Group North America intimidates and defrauds customers. Electrical and plumbing flaws are introduced, and soon there is bankruptcy. I now understood why Hymer Deutschland said they couldn't help us. They had no first-hand knowledge of the Hymer Aktiv. Thor, Hymer-USA, and Hymer Deutschland are not morally or financially responsible for the Erwin Hymer Group North American failure. Founder Herr Hymer himself, ethos guides them to help owners of Hymer-branded campers to find the parts we need. Hymer North American dealers are all gone, so Hymer-USA and Hymer Deutschland have set up a parts distributor for us to get the European parts that are hard for us to get. We can now get these parts quickly and at a reasonable price. The same parts distributor can help us with the American parts too. TIARA RV is the Hymer Aktiv parts distributor. They have parts specialists waiting to help you get your parts. The ordering details are on Facebook since the process will likely change over time. TIARA does not sell or service Aktivs, and the Aktiv dealers and warranty are gone with the Erwin Hymer bankruptcy, so they can't help with that. TIARA can't supply all parts. Ram van parts are still available from Mopar, and Aktiv electrical system parts are available from Roadtrek KS2 or Nations. Custom parts made by Erwin Hymer Group North America, such as molded plastic and the side skirts, upholstery, wood, and granite, they are no longer available at all. The Hymer Aktiv is still the best Class B RV in North America, so I look forward to seeing what Hymer-USA and Hymer Deutschland bring with Thor Industries now in charge. Hymer-USA and Hymer-DE will work together once COVID has cleared out of the country and the German engineers come over. In the time being, let's promote the Hymer name and to consider referencing Erwin Hymer Group North America when discussing the Aktiv's dark times. Thanks a lot, and thanks to Thor for all your help.